everyone. Today we're talking about the 2002-2003 eruption of Mount Etna. The eruption began on October 26, 2002 and lasted on and off until the beginning of 2003. Mount Etna is located on the eastern coast of Italy, and it's one of the most active volcanoes in the world. Why does it erupt so often? Etna is in a very complex tectonic setting. The African plate is slowly moving northward beneath the Eurasian plate, which causes earthquakes and volcanic activity. But in Etna's case, the main driving force is actually the rifting in its crust, which allows magma to rise and escape to the surface. This combination of processes explains why Etna is so active in them.
Now let's look at how the eruption affected people and the environment. So the human impact. The good news is that there's no direct deaths. However, lava flows destroyed several buildings, including the Hotel Le Bateau, and damaged roads and ski lifts in the Piano Provenza area. Asphalt caused serious problems for nearby communities. Many residents had respiratory and heart diseases, and hospitals saw a big increase in emergency visits. On top of that, the eruption disrupted tourism, farming, and local businesses, which also led to the significant economic losses for the region. And let's look at the environmental impact. The landscape itself changed. Lava buried forests and reshaped parts of the terrain. Local wildlife lost some habitats, and many animals were able to adapt and move to more safer areas. In the atmosphere, Etna released huge amounts of ash and gases, which lowered air quality and added particles to the sky. Most of these effects stayed local and regional, but some atmospheric changes and spread further.
Lessons, science, and culture. From this eruption, scientists and local communities learned some important lessons. It was called a perfect eruption by volcanologists because it had lava flows, ash emissions, and earthquakes. Altogether, it made it the perfect case study. It also highlighted the need for better construction standards in volcanic areas and stronger public awareness programs to keep people safe. Scientific importance. Mount Etna is one of the most studied volcanoes on Earth. Researchers use it to learn how magma moves, how to predict eruption, and how volcanic gases can impact both climate and ecosystems. The cultural and economic significance. Etna has also shaped culture and history. In Greek mythology, it was believed to be the forge of Hephaestus, the god of fire, and the prison of the monster Typhon. Today, Etna continues to shape Sicily's economy, drawing tourists for hiking and skiing, and supporting agriculture with its fertile volcanic soils. Finally, Etna acts as a natural laboratory where scientists can watch how new ecosystems slowly recover after being covered by lava.